So hello everyone, this is Shoaib Mohammed Khan. I'm recording this for the sprint one, and the topic is manager reserve. So in this sprint, we will be working on object pooling manager reserve, which is supposed to add and remove the nodes from the active to the reserve and reserve to active depending upon the requirement. So when I go into the manager, here we can see all the functions, and just to show you, I'll be running the test and show you that all the tests written by the professor has been passed, as you should be able to see them here. So these are all the functions that I have filled, and let us look at one of them. So this is the constructor and add function, find function, remove, and this is an extra one that it's like an helper function. And then this one is to compare while finding, and this one is to allocate a new node when making a new node. So let us go step by step in the find function. So in the find function, as you can see, we just create a new node and make its name as the one provided in the uh, function parameter. And then what we do is like create a instance of active reserve, and also an instance of a temporary node. So the temporary node will be used to iterate over all the nodes in the link manager, which is our active reserve. And then at each and every iteration, we compare the node which is provided, I mean the name which is provided and it is put into this node with the temporary one, find out if it is matches. If it does match, then we do return it, which returns us a node, and which has the same name, and and will have the value as well. So that node we will be able to get it through the find function. Similarly, I have also written an add function which adds the to the adds the given node into the reserve and into the active by checking if there is a reserve, and if there is not a reserve, it will fill the reserve pool. Otherwise, it will just use the one and then reduce the count, and also set the values, add it to the front of the active reserve, and then return that node itself. So this could have been achieved with writing all this other classes as well. Like I have written a base class for manager, I have written a link manager, which I already did in the past week, and also an iterator, which I actually did not use. I planned to use it, but I did not. And then we also made a list base, which is like an interface, but it's actually an abstract class, which is I mean, this the Sling manager will be implementing it, so that it will implement all its function. And then in the manager, we use the list base as our base object. I think that's all, and let me check if anything else I'm missing. Hope the audio quality is good. Yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.